tayo sa Disneyland Park! Lord, grabe ka naman po. Guys, I don't know what to see inside. I mean, I know, but I don't know.
Let's do this!
Hindi yun yung kanina. 1, 2, 3. Let's do this!
Roar! Ikaw yung lion sa ano. Roar!
Where, pumipila na kami para sa tickets for this and
Pasok na kami sa...
Disneyland Park. Yeah, Disneyland Park. We made it to Disneyland Park. We made it to Disneyland. Okay, very good. Very good in. And the third honor goes to... Ay, very good din. Aguroy.
Welcome to Disney! Welcome to Disney, guys!
Disneyland Paris!
Yes! Let's do this! Yay!
OMG! Alam ka,
Gosh! I can't believe it!
you can't believe it.
Ate, ang ganda dito sa Pia pa naman.
Oo.
Pagkaganda ang Uy, visit ang bulak! Oh my God!
Oh my gosh.
Ate, I'm crying! Oh my God!
Oh my God. You know, in-underestimate ko yung feeling. I was like, it's just, Pero pagdating dito, grabe ka po. Lord, grabe ka po.
Chinese crying!
Oh my gosh. Ay, ako ka.
Ano, mama?
Sana makita ta ang park. Sana mapa. Karana. hindi natin na-miss yung parade.
Yeah, from the start.
Naabutan natin yung parade.
We do it! Yeah!
Oh my God.
Hindi mo na!
Buti pala maaga tayong pumunta.
Kuya,
Kasi kung na-late pa tayo, tapos kung ang hotel natin doon sa Paris, wala.
Isan ko gito kay Mabel.
And that's it, Pansit. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. So, yun yung aming naging experience sa morning parade o yung tinatawag nilang Festival of the Fantasy sa Disneyland Park in Paris. And sa mga nagtatanong kung paano kami pumunta kasi hindi kami nag-public transport. So, nag-rent kami ng car. And for 3 days, yun yung sinakyan namin dun sa Paris and even pauwi dito. And for all other details, i-share ko yan sa inyo sa ating next vlog. Para naman dun sa vlog natin about sa 3 days tour. So, yun siya guys. And thank you all for watching. And I'll see you in my next vlogable. Bye!